Welcome to the first episode from the Funny Learning Channel, English learning program for children. The English alphabet will appear successively, echoing behind them, in a loud voice, so you can easily remember the English alphabet.
A A A A A A B B B B B B C C C C C C D D D D D D E E E E E E F F F F F F G G G G G G H H H H H H I I I I I I J J J J J J K K K K K K L L L L L L M M M M M M N N N N N O O O O O O P P P P P P Q Q Q Q Q Q R R R R R R S S S S S S T T T T T T U U U U U U V V V V V V W W W W W W X X X X X X Y Y Y Y Y Y Z Z Z Z Z Z
Now, kids, sing with the song, so that you don't forget the letters of English language. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Funny Learning, to get the new videos.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and D, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, B, C, D, E, F,
Goodbye in the next episodes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.